doing well. In this tutorial, I will be making a chocolate cake, but this one is low carb and sugar free. So if you're on a diet or you're doing keto or you just want to have a sugar free lifestyle, this tutorial is for you. If you like this type of tutorial, feel free to subscribe to my channel. All links will be posted in the comment box below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to subscribe for every time I post a video. Let's get started with the tutorial. I am getting started here with the milk and I am using heavy whipping cream for this and adding half a tablespoon of vinegar. Basically, I am making buttermilk. You can use almond milk if you prefer. You will need 2 cups of super fine blanched almond flour and you can sift this. I already sifted mine and now I am adding 1/4 cup of coconut flour. You want to sift this really well too. So basically you want to sift all your dry ingredients. Now I am adding half a cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of espresso powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now I am adding the sugar. I am using Swear Confectioners and you will need 1 cup and 1/4 of sugar. Finally, I am adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Make sure that you sift this really well and then mix all the ingredients together. Now that you have all your dry ingredients mixed, you want to work with your wet ingredients. You will need 4 eggs and you want them at room temperature. I typically use jumbo eggs, but you can use large. I would not suggest using small eggs. I never use them for my baking. I go between large and jumbo. I mix my eggs and make sure they're broken and really mix well, and then I add the rest of the ingredients. Now I am adding vanilla extract. You can add 2 teaspoons and even up to 3, depending how much you like vanilla. Now I am adding my heavy cream mixture with vinegar. As you can see, it becomes thick because of the vinegar. It's basically now buttermilk. You want to add this to your eggs. I melted 4 ounces of butter and I am adding it to the mixture. And I am also adding half a cup of melted coconut oil. You can use another oil if you don't have coconut oil. But since we're trying to do something healthy here, I rather stay with a healthy oil. Once you have all your wet ingredients together, you want to mix them well. Once they are mixed, you want to add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. Mix them well, but do not overmix. I always like to finish with my spatula to make sure everything is well combined, especially anything that is left at the bottom of the bowl. Now I'm ready to put the batter in the pans. There are some cakes that require parchment paper. This one doesn't, so I'm not adding any parchment paper, but I got my pans ready with some spray. I spray them really well so nothing stick to it. Make sure that the batter is even in between both pans. You can use a scale if you prefer. Make sure to cut your batter with a knife to make sure you don't have any big pockets in there of air that creates holes that are unattractive. And then make sure to get all the air out by banging the pans on your table. After you do this, just place your batter in the oven and let the cake bake. It takes around 35 to 40 minutes depending on your oven. Once the cake is baked, you can see how nice it looks. It detached from the sides. You are ready to let it cool down for a little bit. At this point, I make sure that it's completely sealed and I place it in the fridge overnight. The next day, you are ready to torch and fill your cake and ice it, and I did a very basic decoration for this one, but I promise this cake is really delicious. Or if you have diabetes, this cake will be for you and you won't miss the real thing. I will post soon the buttercream I created for this cake. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, visit me in Facebook, Instagram, and until next time, ta-ta!